Good morning, grade 4. For quarter 1, week 3, we have 2 remaining activity before proceeding to the next lesson, which is week number 4. First, let us have the title, Perimeter of our Trapezoid. In your module, the activity titled Perimeter of Trapezoid, we have 1 to 5 for our activity. Activity 1. How to answer this? So let us use the number 1 given. So there are 4 measurement of side. We have 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. For us to compute the perimeter in our number 1, we have to add all the given side. So for our number 1, so we have perimeter of our trapezoid. So we have 5 centimeter, this one. We have plus 12 centimeter. And we have another plus 5 centimeter. And we have 10 centimeter. For us to find the perimeter, we only have to add the first side. 5 plus 12 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 plus 10 is 32. So it means the perimeter in our number 1 is 32 centimeter. So this is our final answer. We can proceed to number 2. Same procedure. So you have to answer number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. No need to draw the given trapezoid. All you have to do is show the addition of the 4 sides. After the 1 to 5, let us proceed to the next page. So we have number 2, solve the perimeter of the following figure. So, same procedure in our number 1. No need for you to draw the given trapezoid. All you have to do is to give the formula of our perimeter. P is equals to, so you have to add the 4 side. Then perimeter is equals to the total of the perimeter. Then for our test 3 or activity 3, you have to read all the questions. Then just give the letter of the correct answer. Maliwanag po baga? So, good luck. Grade 4.